as promised, I said I'd do a little competition as a little giveaway to celebrate the 10,000 subscribers. I know it's not that many compared to other people, but yeah, it's a start. Now, to make this competition fair, you've got to have to email the answer in with photographic proof. No guessing now, I need proof. Alright, so I'm gonna do actually two prizes, two different things, but hey ho, I'm not saying one's more valuable than another because they're not. But I'm going to look at the results on the 3rd of June, so that gives you a couple of days to work it out. So I'm going to have a look at them at 9 o'clock Canada time, 3rd of June, 9 o'clock in the morning, working time, and then we'll see who's got the right answer, the first one with the right answer. I think that's only fair, because I've been racking my brains trying to think out a question. So, I'm going to show you the first prize. That's not the first prize, but one of the prizes, okay? Back in a minute. And this is it! It's a Land Rover genuine, I think they call it a safari jacket. Now it is a limited edition jacket that I had given by Land Rover Canada through some bizarre means, and it is a proper Land Rover product. It's not a cheap copy one, and you can see there it's got our Canadian maple leaf on there. If Justin Trudeau had his way, it'd be a hammer and sickle, but we won't go into that. So what's it's got? It's why am I giving it this way? Well, I never wear it, I never go anywhere, and it's actually, where is it now? Here, if you look at the corner on the pocket, it's the 10th anniversary of Land Rover being in Canada, I think, from 1990 to 2000. I know it's an old jacket, but to tell you the honest truth, it's been in my cupboard for years and years and years. I never wear it. In fact, it's never been washed, so it maybe wants a bit of a freshen up. Now, what's so special about it? Well, not much really, apart from being a limited edition, but it's got a hood on it. Look at that. And in true Land Rover fashion, I bet it leaks. But it doesn't. I mean, look how thin it is. Wouldn't stop a raindrop, would it? But in true Land Rover fashion, they've thought about everything. And they've got zips under here, under the armpits. Well, you can actually, I found out last night, I didn't even know, you can actually zip off the sleeves and make it like into a proper safari jacket. And it's got, you know, pockets everywhere, pockets here and pockets there, and well, you could keep your ammunition in there if you're an American, and well, if you're Dutch, you could keep your weed in there because it's got a zipper on so it won't fall out. But I'll take it off and I'll show you the inside. Alright. There you go, it's got Land Rover written all over the place. Look, it's a proper one. And the thing about it is, the thing that made me laugh last night, because I was thinking about what I could do for a question. This is a small one, and it's big on me, and I'm a little bit rotund and 6 foot tall, so I don't know what they were thinking of. Anyway, it's yours. I'll pack it up. If you win it, I'll ship it for free, and yeah, anyway, best of luck to everybody. But I say, it's going to be the 3rd at 9 o'clock Canada time. I'll draw it, but you must write in, and no guessing. I want a photograph of the question. The question is this. In 2003, I supplied a number of vehicles to a film set in Montreal. 2 were mainly used in the film, one brown one and one white one. Now, what was the name of the film? Now, it had a very famous American actress in it, so there's a clue. So, first one with a photo, because I want a photo of the Land Rover. Ah, it's not as easy as it sounds. Now, there was a cream Land Rover in the movie as well. That wasn't mine, but either one, if you take a picture of the brown one or the white one, I'll confirm whether it's right or not. So best of luck on that one, and let's have a look at the second prize, or the other prize should I say. This is about take 5. Every time I sort of set this up, somebody turns up. Anyway, the other second prize, what's that going to be? Well, it's something that you've seen before in my videos, handy little tool set. It's an impact nut and bolt extractor and studs and things like this. It's really handy. It's brand new, still in the box, and I picked it up a couple of weeks ago. The value, it's about $79, so it's, you know, for a Yorkshireman giving things away. It'll be in the Gazette next week or somewhere like that. Evening Gazette, because there's nothing else in it. Now, what it looks like is this. If we got it the right way around, I don't want to get dirt on me, but it ranges from a 1/4 inch right up to 3/4 inch, but it's metric too, so it's a great little set to carry around, and it's small. I'll tell you something, it's got me out of a lot of problems in the past. A lot of problems. So, same rules apply. I'm going to, like I say, you can write in with your answer beforehand, but I'd really want to be fair with everybody, like in Australia and New Zealand, and this is one of the problems I've tried to say. So I'm not going to accept any answers until after 9 o'clock on the 3rd of June. After that, I'll start to look at the answers, and the first one wins. Now, so you've got to set your timers or something like that, but look, it's international. I don't know how I'm going to do it. If you find it's difficult, just give me a suggestion and I'll redo the test, redo the quiz. Hey, I'm making it up as I go along. So, the question for this one was a real humdinger. What was on page 144 of the September 2001 edition of the Land Rover Enthusiast magazine? Now I'm going to write the question on the screen just like I did the other one, but I want a picture, scan or a photograph. It doesn't really matter, because if you just guess, well, it's not part of the fun, but it's got to be something that we can, a bit of skill. I can see Rob now getting his wife up in the attic and looking through all his Land Rover magazines, breaking through them all. I see you somewhere, I remember that. Anyway, so that's it. So, best of luck to one and all. I'm trying to make it fair for everybody, because this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So if you've got any comments or suggestions, let me know and see if I can do it fairer. If not, and if nobody's won it, I'll roll it over. I'll get until the first one gets it. All right, and I'm going to send everything at my expense to you wherever you are, even if you're in Peru. It doesn't really matter. Have a go. You never know, because a lot of people keep all these old magazines and stuff like this, and internet is your friend. Talk to you later. Best of luck.